Commercial locksmith excellence. CDA businesses deserve locksmith partners who understand commercial security requirements. We install panic hardware meeting building codes, create master key systems for complex facilities, and provide rapid response when locks fail or keys are lost. Our commercial experience spans retail, hospitality, office, and industrial sectors. Many CDA businesses operate extended hours during peak tourist season. We schedule lock service during off-peak hours or closed days, minimizing business disruption while maintaining security. For professional locksmith service in Coeur d'Alene, contact River City Lock and Key at 509-703-6231. We serve all CDA neighborhoods and business districts with reliable, expert service. Visit the link in the description below for more information.